Tip, tip.
Hooray!
Tip, tip.
Hooray!
Tip, tip. Tip, tip. I'm Jason Seaver, brand marketer for Incredible Marketing, and this is your Incredible Marketing Tip of the Day. And this is more of a tip of the week, tip of the month, even tip of the year. That's how important it is to your medical practice. And that tip is to use your EMR, your patient list, to create the perfect targeted lookalike audience for Facebook and Instagram ads. This is the very best way to maximize your marketing spend on ads and to make sure that you're targeting the right patients. So in essence, you're taking the guesswork out of targeting your audience for ads. Now, how is that done? Most people have to go and they have to provide their best assumption of what their target audience is. And that means going through and choosing your best guess at your target audience's age, their interests, their locale. And you're going through and thinking that they're just generally this, generally that. These are their general interests. And it's guesswork. It's educated guesswork, but it's still guesswork at that. Now, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips as a medical practice. You have access to all of the email addresses in your patient list. And now, there's no HIPAA violations in this because simply what you're doing is just exporting your email addresses for all your patients and importing it into Facebook. What Facebook does is it actually takes those email addresses and just matches them with accounts that they have in their system. So in essence, it takes your exact patients and matches them with other people with the exact same demographics, the exact same everything, so that every single time that you put an ad out there, it's going to people that fit the bill. Now your ads are perfectly targeted to those accounts that have the highest likelihood of using your services. And you're maximizing every single penny of your marketing spend. Now that's incredible.